What's up everyone, it's Ryan with Heat Press Nation. If you desire to bring more detail to your skin without makeup work for Halloween, Forever's tattoo paper for laser and LED printers might just be about what you're looking for. In this video, I'll be showing you how to print any graphic or image with this unique material with a Crio white toner printer. In addition, how to easily prepare and apply it to yours or another's skin. So stick around as we'll customize this. If you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Now let's get started. Forever Tattoo Paper offers an innovative and fun alternative to permanent tattoos. While they're temporary by design, tattoos printed with this water-resistant material can actually last about 2 to 4 days, making it well suited for special events like Halloween and cosplay gatherings. Forever Tattoo Paper is even applicable to hard flat surfaces, whether it's that of a sports bottle or a ceramic mug. This makes it perfect for previewing your customizations before committing to them with a more permanent transfer paper. To remove these tattoos earlier, you can simply use sticky tape to peel them off and you'll be ready to apply another tattoo in no time. Made with laser and LED printers in mind, Forever Tattoo Paper is a perfect candidate for white toner systems while staying compatible with more standard laser and LED printers. But with a white toner printer, you'll be able to print tattoos retaining the inner whites of an image, resulting in enhanced, truly full-color tattoos ready for any skin or dark color. To show off the full potential of this two-paper material, we'll be printing it using the Crio 8432 WDT white toner printer. But to begin, creating a new document in your photo editing or graphic design software in A4 size and 300 dpi or ppi resolution. Though if you're using a white toner printer with Digital Factory RIP software, you'll want to set the width to a 7.93 inches and the height to 11.36 inches. This will prevent your images from printing past Digital Factory's print margins for A4 paper. Next, you'll need to gather the images or graphics you'd like to use as tattoos and resize them to a 7-inch max height, depending on where you'll be placing them on your skin. Once your tattoos have been put together, you're now ready to print them through your laser or LED printer. As we'll be using the Digital Factory RIP software to optimize this for our Crio white toner printer, we'll need to export this as a high-resolution PNG file with a transparent background. With Digital Factory open, make sure to set the print mode to default, media size to A4, media type to printer default, and media weight to ultra heavy 1. Then you may import the PNG export of your tattoos. Go to your imported file's properties, and in the processing options, boost the coverage percentage to about 10 to 20 points, and you may optionally bring the color boost to 2 or higher for increased vibrancy. Then you'll want to uncheck the enabled box on the ink removal menu. As despite being a two-paper material, Forever Tattoo Paper doesn't require holes for the resulting print. Click OK to save your file's properties, and your tattoos will now be ready to print. On Digital Factory, simply select or right-click your queued file to print it through your white toner printer. Before trimming the printed tattoos out, you'll need to bond it with a B sheet first. To do this, peel a corner of the B sheet's white backing off and fold it over. Next, align the B sheet to your printed A sheet and attach the exposed adhesive of the B sheet to the A sheet's corner below. To remove the white backing, you'll essentially be pushing it off, squeegeeing the B sheet's adhesive to the A sheet. With the two sheets now bonded together, the tattoos are ready to be trimmed out. To do so, you can use a pair of scissors to trim each one by their edges. With the tattoos now cut, we'll show you how to apply them on your skin. First, peel the glossy side off the tattoo, which you'll then place face down on clean and dry skin. Finally, soak the tattoo in place with either running water or a wet sponge or towel with light pressure. We recommend 30 seconds of soaking the tattoo for the best results. Once the tattoo is fully wet, you may peel or slide it off with ease and it's now a part of your skin. Sorry about our tattoos being more on the creepy side, but we're just getting ready for a Halloween night. As a note, if you're having trouble removing your tattoo fully, you may need to peel it off with the same tape a few more times. If there still happen to be some tattoo bits left, you'll then need to wash and scrub your skin with warm soapy water. If you're interested in showing your very own temporary tattoos with us, alongside a large community of customization enthusiasts, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about Forever Tattoo Paper and other materials, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, be sure to contact a My Expert representative at heat.press/support. This has been Ryan with Heat Press Nation. Take care and enjoy your Halloween.